Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Life of Beauty and Dayan, and today we will be making a coconut candy. I don't know if you know anything of coconut candy, but believe me, back then in Nigeria when I was a kid, I used to make coconut candy. So if you know you are my returning subscriber, you are welcome. Thank you for joining my life today. My name is Life of Beauty and Dayan, and I will be sharing you today on how to make a coconut candy. So this is me, Life of Beauty and Dayan, and today we're making coconut candy. Alright? So not to take much of your time, let's get started. Let's get to business. The reason why we are here today is because we want to make a coconut candy, and what we'll be using is, I showed you, we'll be using a coconut. You see, I grade this coconut. I graded it. I graded 2 coconuts and sugar, a bowl of sugar, just one cup of sugar. All right, and a pinch of salt. That is what we'll be using, and we are going to stir this. We keep stirring until it's become brown and liquid. All right, it's going to take few time, but believe me, you will enjoy the process. Stay with me, guys. So as we are waiting for this, I tell you a story of my life, how I moved to Malta and where I was before. So my name is Beauty, as you all know. I'm a YouTube content creator, and I deal with my daily life activity, my lifestyle, and I post what I do. If I'm going to work, I post. If I'm going to anywhere, I post. So I was in Dubai. Story of my life. Listen, guys. I was in Dubai before for like 2 to 3 years. I was in Dubai, and then I went to Dubai from Nigeria. I stayed in Dubai for 3 years. I work with a company called Almazan. So in the company called Almazan, I worked there, and then suddenly Dubai got a ban. Dubai got a ban to ban Africans not to have visa. So I cannot apply for my visa anymore in Dubai when I was there. And then I was struggle. Oh my God, how can I leave Dubai? Because it was really hell in Dubai. It was not easy. People in Dubai can testify to that. But God see me through, and I relocated from Dubai. So if you want to know the reason how I relocated to Dubai, just drop how I relocated from how I left Dubai. Just drop a comment, and I will tell you all the process and the agency who brought me to where I am today. So still waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. It takes time, but believe me, it's going to mend. It's going to mend, and then we get the results. La 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 la. Keep mixing, guys. Keep mixing. Mix very well. You can see it, guys. It's coming liquid. You see? It's coming liquid. It's coming up. Trust the process. It's coming up. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. You wash it. You see? You see? You see? You see? It's going to be liquid. Keep mixing. Keep stirring. The process of how to make a coconut candy is going to be brown in color. Keep stirring. You see? You have to stir a lot until everything melts. Everything has to melt and be liquid. You see? Guys? It's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. Hey, gang. You see? Guys, stay with me and see how to prepare a coconut candy. Stay with me. This is homemade. Easy to make. Just buy a coconut, a sugar, and a pinch of salt. You are good to go. You see? You see? Trust the process. You see? If you have stayed up to this time watching this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now it's liquid. Everything is liquid. And the next step is to pour our coconuts. Just to pour your coconuts on it. Pour your coconuts. Keep pouring your coconuts. Keep pouring your coconuts. I say film it. Film the coconuts. Film sugar for my mouth. Oh, sugar put on my mouth. Let's go. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. Sugar for my mouth. Film the coconut for me. You have to stir till it become brown. Everything have to mix together and become brownish. Let me have a good stir. Guys, don't forget, okay? A pinch of salt. A pinch of salt. A pinch of salt. And keep stirring. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. This is how to make a coconut candle, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. Today I was at home, bored, and then thinking of what to prepare. Then I come across this. I remember when I was a kid, I used to prepare coconut candy. So I said, let me try if I still know how to prepare it. Let's go, guys. If you can see, there is still liquid. The sugar is still there. You have to stir it until it becomes dry. Keep stirring it in a low heat. Don't put too much heat so you don't get burned. On a low heat, keep stirring. Check it. You can see it's still wet. It's not dry. You stir it until it becomes dry, guys. If you like what I do, give me a thumbs up so I can think of more other things to do. Keep stirring, guys. Keep stirring. Beautiful. It's brown. And then guys, when it's ready, just turn it in a pan. All right, turn it and then leave it to cool for a bit. Leave it to cool down for a bit. So we have to mold with our hands. You have to mold to any kind of shape that you want it to be, but normally it's the round circle shape. Mold it round any size you want, but I like to cook a bit because it's very hot and I cannot put my hand on it straight away. You understand? So this is our delicious snacks products from Africa, Nigeria. How to prepare a Nigeria coconut candy, guys. Start the video.
Yes.
Then take a picture.
Suppose he's wrong.
Guys, I already washed my hand. As you can see, it's wet. Just to roll it, and then it comes to the ball like this. All right, take another one. How you want the quantity to be. After you leave it to cool a bit, and then you roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, and then it's ready. It's very easy. Homemade. Easy homemade coconut candy. Make it, press it together, and then roll it, roll it, roll it gently, and then it's ready. Very easy. You see how it looks like? Nice and beautiful. You see guys how I roll it? Very nice and easy. And this is how they look like. This is how they look like, you guys. This is the end result of Nigeria coconut candy, homemade in the house. If you just need only 3 recipes: coconut, sugar and salt, and then you get all of this done. Fry the sugar with a low heat, and then add the coconut, and then add a pinch of salt, and then you get a delicious coconut candy. Bye guys, and thank you for staying to watch my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. See you in my next video. Bye. Ciao. Thank you.